Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my Boxycharm for February. So this is the box for February. It came late like very usual. This is what it looks like inside. Yes, I have opened it, but that's okay. So this is the pamphlet and it's Boxycharm XOXO. And again, I don't know what's happening to the variations, but there is no variation this month. So I'm assuming that's the new variation. So cool. So up first in here, let's just grab out this here. And this is super cute. It looks like there's nothing in it because I didn't want to put back the pack of brushes in it. They're super dirty because I just used them all. So this is a pack of 4 from the brand Glamierre, I think, and they are a pink luxe glitter eyeshadow collection. So they have these cute hearts that kind of come down. Very 80s, I think maybe more like 90s vibes. So they're dirty because I did use them on my eyeshadow look. My thoughts on these are I really liked this one, which looks like the little dome kind of one, like the shader. This one I used for like an all over eyeshadow look, all over. These two were not exactly my favorite ones. I think because I didn't use this one for like an eyeshadow, or I mean an eyebrow or an underliner, I didn't like it as much. This one's so tiny. I tried to put my glitter glue on with this one. This is definitely a lip brush, I think, or like to smudge out underneath your eye. This one definitely did not work for glitter glue, but it's okay. Not bad for some really cute pink makeup brushes. Okay, so these brushes are $29.95, which seem a little steep for 4 little brushes and this little jelly pack container to put them in. Because chances are I'm probably not keeping this, so okay. So that was item number 1. Item number 2 is this here, and this is the Ncla treatments. This is called And So Rich. This is a nail treatment. I do like the fact that inside has these cute little glitters and hearts in them. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, so this smells very much like roses. So if you don't like roses, you're not gonna like this. I don't love the smell of it. I'm sure it's great. Let me just try a little bit here. Or let me just try it. I'm just put a little bit on my nail. We'll see if oh God, no, I can't use it. No. I don't know how long that's gonna stay. I do not like the smell of roses at all, especially so artificially. It does feel nice on my cuticles though, so if I can get past the smell, I definitely should use something like this because my nails they're bad. So this here is an $18 So Rich Love Potion, it's called. There's no love potion on here. Okay. Oh, down at the bottom. All right. Well, I might end up keeping this, but we'll see. All right, up next is, in some bubble wrap, there is this here, and this is the Ace Beaute, or Beauty, however you want to pronounce it, Nostalgic palette. This has 15 shades that are meant to inspire and create to make you feel nostalgic for past fun times. Okay, this is, again, the packaging. I love the flowers on here. I love hibiscuses, so it's my favorites. Obviously, there is a mirror. There's a mirror in here, and then this is what the palette looks like. It is what's on my eyes. So that is what it looks like. So I only used 1, 2, 3, 4 colors for this look on my face or my eyes today. I actually really liked these. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is they're very, very powdery. So I would definitely recommend doing your eyeshadow before you do any more makeup. I ended up getting a bunch of like eyeshadow in here. Definitely make sure you're tapping off your brush when you're using this, but it's very pigmented. And weirdly enough, there's only one color in here I will not use, and it's this green here. So For a palette that is as bright as this, to only have one color that I won't use, that's pretty awesome. So the Ace Beaute, whatever it's pronounced, is a $38.99 palette. $38.99 palette. Actually, that's not so bad. I do have another one of this brand, and maybe I have two, I don't know. But I do not use it very often, but they're very, very pigmented. They're like reds that I have. So now that I've tried this one, I think I might have to pull that out and play with that a little bit. But this is definitely a check for me this month. All right, so then there was this, and this is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Double Date lip and cheek. I have it on my cheeks today. This is what it looks like. It's got like the cute little, it's double stacked, so you got the mirror in here, and then this is the lip, I think. So the top is called, okay, it's called Sweet Walker. That's the color of this one, and it's like sweet as in like hotel suite. And then this is called Swipe, which, okay, this is literally just a clear gloss. There is nothing else, like it's just, and then this is the color. It's very pinky, or peachy color. It's very nice. I am wearing it today. I ended up putting a little too much on the one side, but it blended out really good. It's a bit bright. It's a bit heavy pigmented for the look that I was going for, but I really did like this. This is a $22 product, so that's pretty good. And the last thing in here is this, and this is Tula Skincare, and this is, so, poreless deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. So this is just a little squeezy tube. I guess it's not really little. This comes with 2.90 or 2.86 grams. If this actually helps with blackheads, I will love it forever and probably buy it. Actually, let me see how much it is first. It's $32. No, probably not then. Maybe. I've had a lot of blackheads around the mask area just because of sweating underneath my mask while I'm at work all day, things like that. So if this really works, then I am going to be super grateful. But I'm not mad at this either. So that was all the 5 items in this month's box. Honestly, the only thing I'm not super in love with is the nail oil. I really do love the 2 or 3 out of these brushes. Love this eyeshadow palette. Really excited to try this. I love the blush in this. Not super happy about the lip. So if this would have been just a one, like a double blush would be really nice, but I'm not going to complain about it. So that is actually really good. Boxycharm is kind of really winning it. It's weird because I almost canceled Boxycharm there for a minute, but we're just going to keep on going and see if they keep doing good. All right. So altogether, everything costed this much, which isn't bad for the box. I actually pay, I think I pay like $42-ish Canadian. So when they tell me the price on like this here, so let's just say, so they say that this is a $22 product. If I went to Sephora and picked up this Wander Beauty product, if they sell it at Sephora, I'm not sure, it would actually cost more. So that's kind of okay. So like this for me would be a little bit more, which I don't mind spending the extra couple of dollars, like the 40 some dollars on it, even though it's only like 25 or something in the States. But with the exchange rate and everything and shipping and handling, it's a little bit more for us in Canada, but it's still definitely worth it because the only thing I didn't like was this and the amount of money that they actually put into the box and stuff is really good. Right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are new to my channel, thanks for joining us, and if you are not new, thanks for stopping by as well. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of my upcoming videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!